Queenstown Airport is looking at expanding the noise boundary. It's said that their new proposal ultimately equates to one flight every 6 minutes by 2045. The subject is open to public discussion, and the people have until Monday to place their feedback. The residents of Frankton are rallying the troops.
Would you like to sign the petition?
So really simply, we are proposing to increase the airport's noise boundaries to accommodate growth for the next 30 years.
I think this is an issue a lot larger than just Frankton itself.
We've got about 3 to 4 years left in our existing boundaries, and we believe that we have a responsibility to plan for the future.
Missions will need to focus on the adverse effects of the increase in both noise and the frequency of aircraft movements.
What impact could that have on roads if the airport is overly constrained?
Like the peak levels to people. Let's talk in a little bit more detail about the impacts that noise can have on people's health.
Yeah, I'm not here to give you a direct perspective on the air contours proposal. I'm here to give you a tourism perspective that hopefully will help you in your consideration.
Are you not aware of the consequences of excess tourism in places like Barcelona, because it's sinking under the weight of tourism?
The airport's actually looking ahead, which is something that the community has always been grumbling about, the lack of town planning. But do we need more flights? Like, can our infrastructure actually keep up with more flights?
Well, that's a really good question, and I think that's something that we really want feedback from the community on.
For me, I'm totally against it.
Actually, I was the councillor that was unhappy with it.
Yeah, they see the growth demand, don't they?
They're implicitly supporting the airport company's actions.
I think people will move out of Frankton, basically.
It's just not going to work at all for our quality of life being outside.
But what's been really good about this conversation is it's triggered that conversation about what do we want to be as a community, what do we want for our region, what sort of experience do we want to have, and what do we want our tourists to have when they come in to visit us.
I mean, surely we've got to have a big plan, or otherwise we're like the ambulance at the bottom. We're putting band-aids on the cracks all the time.
Can't go ahead without going through the council. The process here that the airport's kicked off is for you to make your voice heard, so make it heard.
I just want to see a show of hands to see how many people have actually put in the non-line submission now. Okay, I'd say not even a quarter of you.
Ask yourself, is it time that we accept that we live in quite a loud place? Or can we still maintain a quiet place?
We really would like people to be part of the conversation, and the best way to do that is to take part in our website survey, which is at our.queenstownairport.com, and fill in the survey, and the more people that we have responding to that, the better picture we get of the overall community sentiment around what we're proposing.